Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are fine always. Today we start the lecture of the mathematics for the 10th class, and we prove in this lecture derivation of the quadratic formula by using the complete sequence. Now let us go derivation of the quadratic formula. By using a complete sequence. Complete sequence. Today our topic is derivation of the quadratic formula by using the complete sequence. Now, first of all, we take the quadratic equation and then prove it. It means I know we take a quadratic equation. We take the quadratic equation in general form. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the main form of the quadratic equation. And now we have to say that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now we convert the quadratic formula by using the complete square method. By using the complete square method. We have to prove that from the above equation x is equal to minus b plus minus b square 4ac over. From this equation we have to prove that this. Today we take a simply method by taking the quadratic equation and prove this. Now we take the above equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First of all, we multiply the quotient a. Here a is a single power but not have a square. First of all, we complete the square. We complete the square of a. So we multiply a on both sides of the above equation. Multiply a on both sides of the above equation 1. This implies that a dot ax square abx plus ac is equal to 0. Now, after simplification, we know a is the variable. Both of the variable have the power. When we know that when the variable are same, then we add a power. Okay? Yeah. A square x square abx plus ac. After this, we have ac, which have not a variable contained. We take which is on the left hand side. We take on the right hand side. Here AC contains the symbol plus. but we can change on the right hand side. The sign of AC will be changed. Okay. This is that ABX is equal to minus AC. After this, we can write we complete the square, whole square. We can write as the first value. We see that ABX. Here we make upper value ABX. Now AX here AX, but B is not here, so we write a B as a square on both sides, as a square on both sides. The above question complete a square B square plus on the both sides, but the complete square form is not clear. ABX here 2 the 2 we remove it, so we can change as B over 2. So we can change as B over 2. When we write B over 2, you see that 2 and 2 they have to cancel, but AB into X of the above values. The form of the above equation have clear. So we can write AX B over 2 square whole values. We can write as the symbol AX B over 2 whole square. We can write it. There, if we expand AX plus B over 2 square, then we have this value. If we can close it, then we can write it. Okay, is equal to B over 2 negative AC. After completing the square, we have simplified here. So B square over 4 negative AC, here we can simplify. We have the final form of the above expression. We take LCM, and after simplification we have here the fraction value is 1. So we take an LCM. The LCM, the above value is 4, and after simplification we can find AX B over 2 is equal to B square negative 4AC over 4. After this, we can solve, and we have the final result this in the form. You see that here X is on the left hand side. So AX plus B over 2, here we can separate the X. You know, we can separate the X. So A, B and over 2 and square will be removed. It is necessary. Okay? Are you understand? So we take as the square root on both sides. The square and the square root will be cancelled. You know, it is the law. Then we write as the plus minus sign when we take the square root and separate the square root. Here the square root have the whole value, but B square negative 4 AC and 4 square root. We have here separate AX plus B over 2 is equal to plus minus, which is not simplified. Only 4 is the simplified. You know, 4 square root is 2. 4 square root is 2. So we can take on the right hand side, the sign will be changed. b square 4ac over 2. Here we can take again LCM. Both the number which is the denominator has same, and here the LCM is 2. After simplification, you know b square negative 4ac have the same values. After this, we have ax, but we can separate only x on the left hand side. So a is divided. A is divided on both sides. The a will be cancelled. So x half is equal to minus b plus minus b square ac over 2. Which is proved. Yes, student, you know derivation of the quadratic formula by using the complete square. Now I will repeat again, and you understand the above derivation of the formula. Proof. First of all, we take the quadratic equation in the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we will have to prove that x is equal to negative b plus minus b square negative 4ac over 2f. We take this equation and prove it. Okay. We take and again ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can find the final form of the quadratic equation. So first of all, we a multiply on both sides. You can see here that a is on both sides in the form of the multiplication. After multiplication, we have a square plus x square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0. Then a square x square in the simple form ax whole square. Then we can find as in the form of the square. After we have to close. Okay, the 2 is here, which have the value of the formula. First value is ax, here ax, and so we complete this value. We complete this value is ab into x, ab into x, 2 into ax, but ab into x. We have b over 2, which both have the cancel, but we have abx in the above. So this is the new value, and we add with the square on both sides. Okay. Then after we have to close this formula. Ax plus b over 2 whole square. The values ax first value and the last value in the form of plus. You know the sign in the image attached is 2. We take here whole square b over 2 whole square negative ac. After expand the square b square over 4 in minus ac. Then here the square is here, but we take under root on both sides. Okay, the square, we know that the square and the under root will be cancel each other. So in the next form ax plus b over 2 is equal to this. The separation of the square root in the form of this. Okay, b over 2 when we take the under root. So we have the plus minus sign according to the formula. We have plus minus and b, we take the b over 2 on the right hand side, the sign will be changed. So we can next step we have simplification. Both the values have the denominator. We take the LCM to a. We take the LCM to a. Okay. After this, where a are divided on both sides, and then we get the final result. I hope all the students learn this method, which is so simple and not complication. If you have any feeling in this group, you will share me in my inbox on my channel. Okay. If I repeat again, if you are feeling in this group, then you will share with me in my inbox. I will try to again explain the above derivation of the formula. Okay? Best of luck. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.